Did you know that your super can buy property? But one tiny mistake can make your entire SMSF non-compliant. Today, I'll walk you through how SMSF property investment works and the mistake that stopped most people before even entering the SMSF market. Well, have you ever thought you want your super fund to own a property? Then this video might be for you. Hi, my name is Anita, a CPA and a registered tax agent. Welcome to episode number 4 of ARK SMSF Made Easy. Disclaimer before we even start, like I said, I'm a CPA and a registered tax agent, but I'm not a financial advisor. So the video is for general information purpose only, and this is not to be taken for your financial or investment advice. Always seek professional advice for your personal situation because it could be different, right? Every person's situation is different. In episode 3, we did talk about setting up an SMSF correctly. Now let's talk about the requested topic I get from more clients: buying property through SMSF. Well, yes, you can buy property via SMSF, and your SMSF can legally buy the property. Could be any residential property or a commercial property, but there are very strict rules that you must have to be following if you want to purchase it, right? So the golden rule. So what is the golden rule? Sole purpose test. Your SMSF property must be held only for the retirement benefit. You cannot get any present benefit from your retirement property. You cannot live in the SMSF residential property. You cannot even think of, okay, I just want to go there for a holiday. You cannot say that. Your family, they cannot live in it. Even one night of personal use will breach the SMSF rule, and this is one of the mistakes that people do not realize it. Number 3, related party rules. Your SMSF cannot buy any residential property from related party. So you cannot sell your personal home, a residential home, your investment property, or family-owned property into your SMSF. Your SMSF can buy commercial property from a related party if it's at a market value and it is to be used for a business purpose. This is how many business owners buy their business premises inside a super fund. How about borrowing to buy property? Limited recourse borrowing arrangement. Can my SMSF take a loan to buy a property? Yes, you can do that, and this is called limited recourse borrowing arrangement. In simple terms, the SMSF borrows to buy the property. The property sits in separate bear trust. The bear trust will be the owner of this property, and if anything goes wrong, the bank can only claim this bear trust property and not the entire SMSF. So that's why LRBA must be structured exactly right. Wrong setup, non-compliant. Okay, so what about the cost that people forget? Is a lot of people don't factor in the SMSF setup cost, your trustee setup cost, right? Your bear trust setup cost, legal documentation, loan establishment, ongoing accounting and auditing fees, and property expenses must be paid from the SMSF fund. So if cash flow isn't planned properly, the strategy will fail. So that's why planning before buying is very critical. So why do you think people still choose SMSF properties? So despite the rules, many people still choose SMSF because long-term capital growth inside your super fund, rental income tax at the concessional rates. Business owners control their own premises, and this strong retirement asset base. So when structured correctly, it is very powerful. And at ARK Accounting Solution, we don't just open SMSF, but we assess the suitability. We structure the SMSF correctly. We coordinated the bear trust and the LRBA setup. We work with the lenders and solicitors and handle the ongoing compliance. So our clients invest with confidence and not just guesswork. Okay. So if you're thinking about buying property via super, the first step is not buying property. The first step is getting the structure right. So if you'd like no obligation SMSF property strategy session, our contact details are below. No pressure, just clarity. Like I said, but you have to, if you have listened carefully, I've already put the disclaimer note in there that I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. So in episode 5, I will be explaining to you about the SMSF contribution strategy and how to grow your super faster and in a legal way. Okay. Thank you so much. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.